Hello, welcome to another of my video. Today I'm gonna showing you how to start fire with a fire which is high carbon steel and doing the traditional flint and steel project, which steel has had a piece of flint in my hand. To do the fire you will also require some char cloth, which I've made in a previous video. Instead, like the traditional way, which I'm gonna use a traditional sulfur match to start the fire, which just for demonstration purpose only today. But anyway, I'm gonna demonstrate you that you can really light things on fire by using the traditional method. So here we have a piece of flint. We may require some char cloth and strike it with the steel. It may not always light, but you have to try it for a few times. Here I've changed the angles a little bit. You can try also that way to strike it. It may not always light, so which I'm gonna skip. Some people might find that work by striking down like this, but I'm not sure. Just give it a few tries, which is still pretty hard. Now I'm gonna take all the char cloth out to give a even bigger surface area, since it's extremely difficult to ignite. Here we go. We got a glowing amber, which we got to be careful with. The amber is now glowing. We get ourselves a sulfur match and put it on the top and give it a little blow. Here you can see it's starting to burn the sulfur, which gives some very nasty smell, which you have to be careful. Now we've completely started a fire with our flint and steel. Open the door for ventilation, of course. This is definitely quite choking. But you can see definitely there's a flame going on now. I'm going to close the door. Now you can see it's the actual flame. Of course, now we have to be very careful. Sulfur dioxide is quite poisonous. But anyway, that's how we start a fire, just with flint and steel, which is also possible. And you can see here, the char cloth is completely burned out. And anyway, thanks for watching for my primitive video.